Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on Agile project management. In this video, we're going to talk about the skills needed to be a successful Scrum Master. Scrum is one of the most popular Agile frameworks used by project managers around the world. It's a lightweight, iterative approach to project management that focuses on delivering high-value products in a timely manner. The Scrum Master has a critical role in the Scrum framework and is responsible for ensuring that the team follows the Scrum processes and principles. So, let's get started. Section 1. Understanding Scrum. Before we dive into the skills needed to be a successful Scrum Master, it's important to understand the basics of Scrum. Scrum is a framework that uses sprints, which are time-boxed iterations, to deliver working software in increments. A typical Scrum team consists of a product owner, who is responsible for defining the product backlog, the Scrum Master, who is responsible for facilitating the Scrum processes, and the development team, which is responsible for delivering the working software. Scrum is a popular Agile framework used in software development to manage complex projects. Scrum is built around the idea of collaboration, iterative development, and incremental delivery. The framework focuses on delivering working software in small increments, with each increment building on the previous one until the project is complete. Scrum is based on three main roles: the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the development team. The product owner is responsible for defining the product backlog, which is a prioritized list of features and requirements that the development team will work on during the project. The Scrum Master is responsible for facilitating the Scrum processes and ensuring that the team adheres to the Scrum framework. The development team is responsible for delivering the working software at the end of each sprint. The Scrum framework uses sprints, which are time-boxed iterations that typically last between 1 and 4 weeks. The development team works on a set of items from the product backlog during each sprint, with the goal of delivering a potentially shippable product increment at the end of each sprint. During each sprint, the Scrum Master facilitates daily stand-up meetings, where each team member reports on their progress and identifies any obstacles they are facing. The Scrum Master also leads sprint planning meetings, where the development team works with the product owner to select items from the product backlog that will be worked on during the upcoming sprint. The Scrum Master also facilitates sprint reviews and sprint retrospectives, which are held at the end of each sprint to review the work that was done and identify opportunities for improvement. One of the key benefits of using Scrum is that it allows teams to be more responsive to changing requirements and priorities. Because Scrum focuses on delivering working software in small increments, the team can quickly respond to feedback and adjust their approach as needed. Additionally, Scrum encourages collaboration and communication among team members, which can lead to better quality and more innovative solutions. In summary, Scrum is a popular Agile framework used in software development to manage complex projects. It is based on three main roles: the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the development team. The framework uses sprints, which are time-boxed iterations, to deliver working software in small increments. The Scrum Master is responsible for facilitating the Scrum processes and ensuring that the team adheres to the Scrum framework. Using Scrum can lead to better collaboration, communication, and responsiveness to changing requirements and priorities. Section 2. Skills needed to be a successful Scrum Master. Now that we understand the basics of Scrum, let's talk about the skills needed to be a successful Scrum Master. Communication. Communication is one of the most important skills for a Scrum Master. They need to be able to communicate effectively with the product owner, development team, and other stakeholders. They need to be able to facilitate meetings, such as daily stand-ups and sprint retrospectives, and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Leadership. A successful Scrum Master needs to be a good leader. They need to be able to guide the team through the Scrum processes and ensure that everyone is working towards the same goal. They need to be able to motivate the team and keep them focused on the sprint goal. Problem solving. A Scrum Master needs to be able to identify and solve problems that arise during the sprint. They need to be able to think creatively and come up with solutions that benefit the team and the project. Time management. Time management is a critical skill for a Scrum Master. They need to be able to manage the sprint timeline, ensure that the team is delivering working software within the sprint, and keep the team focused on the sprint goal. Flexibility. A successful Scrum Master needs to be flexible. They need to be able to adapt to changes that arise during the sprint and adjust the sprint plan accordingly. They need to be able to work with the product owner and development team to ensure that the project is moving forward. Section 3. Conclusion. In conclusion, being a successful Scrum Master requires a combination of skills, including communication, leadership, problem solving, time management, and flexibility. By mastering these skills, a Scrum Master can effectively facilitate the Scrum processes and ensure that the team delivers high-value products in a timely manner. Thank you for watching today's video on the skills needed to be a successful Scrum Master. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on Agile project management.